Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri. Today I will prepare French onion soup au gratin. But first I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Even though this video is in English, you can consult the recipe in the language of your choice on our website. Onion soup was already popular in ancient Rome. It was then considered a dish for modest people. Today the reputation of this soup is well established. Many of us like it. So it's a go. The oil fizzes, so we add 6 to 8 onions. We continue mixing, stirring well the onions until they will be softened. Lower the heat to medium and we cover for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. The onions are softened, so we increase the heat to very high to saute the onion about 8 minutes. We stir occasionally. The onions are brown, we lower the heat and we add some water. And we scrape the bottom to release the cooking juice. Now we cover with more water. Put the heat on high. We bring to a boil. The boiling point has reached. We lower the heat. We add 2 tablespoons of dry thyme and salt and pepper. I already pour 2 or 3 ladles of soup into onion soup bowls. We add some basil. Now we add crusty bread slice, and we add cheese. Now I will put the bowls in the oven and grill on broil mode until the cheese is nicely colored. This was my French onion soup au gratin recipe. I hope you like it. I personally invite you to try it. You won't be disappointed. To try it is to adopt it. If you like this video, you can click the thumbs up. Do not hesitate to leave me a comment. Do not hesitate also to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you for a new video.